Hi, welcome to this lecture on EOMONTH function. The end of month function is a function that is used to determine the last date of a future or previous month when a specified number of months is added to or subtracted from a given date. So what we're saying is if you have a date like 10th of July 2019 and you add say 3 months, so you're going to get July, August, September, October. It's going to give you a date within October. But EOMONTH will give you the end of October, meaning that whatever date you arrive within the month is going to show you the last date of that particular month. Now let's look at our data and see how the EOMONTH is used for practical work purpose. Now we have as an illustration here, let's take this date 27/07/2017, and I want to add months here. Assuming I intend to add 1 month to this day. Now the logical thing is to say, let's assume a month of about 30 days. You're going to get something like, let's say 30 plus days. You're going to get something like 26th of August. Now the EOMONTH will give you the end, the last date in the month of August. Now if we do 2 months to 5th of July, we're going to have something like this. This is 2 months. Let's multiply it by 30 and add this. I'm going to get 3rd of September 2017, but the EOMONTH will give you the last date of September, which is 31st September or 30th September 2017. Now let's see how it works. Now let's look at the logic syntax for the EOMONTH. The logic syntax is a 2-argument syntax. You have the EOMONTH, you open a bracket, you pick the start date and take a comma and the number of months you intend to add. So if you want to do this, we're going to say equal to EOMONTH, which is the end of month, and I take my bracket upon the start date is this date, and I take my comma. Now it's asking me the number of months I want to increment this, and I take this. Now I press my enter key. I see it's giving me the 31st of August. So if I do that here as well, this is going to give me 30th of September, which is the last date of the particular month when a number of months is added or subtracted. Now if we subtract 1 month from this, this is going to be -1. We're going to get something like 30th of June. So it can either take you backward because you're subtracting a number of months, or take you forward because you're adding a number of months. Now let's look at our illustration. Okay, I want to take this illustration. Let's see what it says. Why is it giving me some of those difficulties? Okay, let me just move it. What am I doing? Gosh, shit. Okay, let me move it this way. Cool. Now I have an illustration. The staff of a company A starts work on any date of the month offshore. Let's take example of this offshore company, the oil and gas. Now, but their return trips are usually on the last date of each month. This means that a staff who completed his assignment on the 10th of June will return on same date as one who completed his job on the 24th of June, as they both will return on the 30th of June. Now, given the start date of 54 staff, determine the dates of their return trip. Now, cool. We've got 54 staff here, down here 54 staff, and this is their start date. Probably you have their names and other details, which shouldn't be of interest to us right now. Now this contract is for 6 months. Now I want to know when the return trip is going to be. This staff started 11th of September and the contract is for 8 months. This staff started 4th of July. The contract is for 3 months. So I'm going to say equal to EOMONTH, that's end of month, and I need a start date. This is my start date. I take a comma, the number of months is 6. I take that and I hit my enter key. So this stuff is due back on the 31st of January 2018. So I just take this down. Now these are the last dates of each month. So for this particular person that started on 29th of June 2017 and has an 8-month contract, is due back on the 28th of February 2018. Now this had to use the EOMONTH function to determine the date that ends on a particular month during a particular transaction. Thank you very much for listening. In other videos, we're going to see much more of what Excel can do. Bye-bye.